Okay, for this video we're going to work on Project 1, Office 2013, Word Chapter 3, Mail Merge. So what you need to do first is log in to My IT Lab with your username and password. That should take you to the home screen. Then click on Course Materials. And scroll down until you see Project 1, Word Chapter 3, Mail Merge. Locate the Options button and click it, and then click Open. What we need to do first is download the files. So click this button here, Download Files. And you'll see there are 3 files that we need to download. The instructions. I'm just going to save that. The Exploring W03 Grader H3 Pool .doc. I'm going to save that. And the Exploring W3 Grader H3 Clients Excel file. I'm going to save that. Okay, now we can close and return. And so what we want to do is work offline. So we click Return to Course. And we want to continue, so yes. Now that I have the 3 files on my computer, I need to first open Exploring W3 Grader H3 Pool doc, the MS Word document. That's this one right here. Okay, so what you may want to do is have a copy of the instructions available. So I basically have a copy of the instructions printed out, and I'm just going to be reading them and doing the assignment. So please follow along. Step 1, we've already downloaded the file, the MS Word document. Now we need to show non-printing characters if they are not already displayed. To do so, we go to the Home tab, and in this paragraph group, there's a icon right here that's to show or hide the non-printing characters. We just click that, and as you can see, the paragraphs, the spaces, and the page breaks and such all show up. So now we can move on to step 2. All we have to do is move to the beginning of page 2. So I'm going to scroll down and position the insertion point beside the first paragraph mark on the page. That's right here. Insert a 1x3 table. To insert a 1x3 table, we go to the top toolbar and click on the Insert tab. Then we look in the Tables group and click this button right here, Add a Table. We want to insert a 1x3 table, so we select 1x3 and click it to insert it. So what the instructions asked us to do in step 2 is to type Party Pools, LLC in the first cell of the first row. So here's the first cell of the first row. Type Party Pools, LLC. Next, we need to change the font size of the text in row 1 to 28 and center the text. So I'll highlight it, font size to 28, and center it. Now for step 3, we need to split the cells in the second and third rows of the newly created table, resulting in 2 columns by 2 rows. To do this, we go to the Layout tab up here, and the Split Cells tab. But in order to do that, we need to highlight the cells that we want to split. So we click on these two. We want to split the cells in the second and third rows. So like we said, click those and then click Split Cells. And we want 2 columns by 2 rows. Also, it's important, according to instructions, we need to ensure that Merge Cells before split is selected before splitting the cells. As you can see, it is. Merge Cells before split is selected. Click OK. And you can see the second and third rows, the cells were split in half.